Now see, there is one more question. Cos of a minus b is equals to 3 times cos of a plus b. You have to prove that cot a into cot b is equals to 2. Now, whenever this type of question is given to you, in this question what to do and how we simplify this question. Whenever a statement is given in this form, means trigonometrical functions are same and there is a difference of angle. In that case, we have one suggestion for you, that transfer this term towards this side, means this numerator is changed into denominator. See, it is cos of a minus b upon cos of a plus b is equals to 3 upon 1. Now, whenever you get this type of statement, then we have one special method. That method is called as componendo and dividendo. This method actually studied by you in class 6th, componendo and dividendo. But now how it is applied? See it very carefully. First of all, in case of componendo and dividendo, try to understand applies on the right hand side. Then it is easy for you to understand how to apply on the left side. Number 1, whatever you have in numerator, write down in numerator and write down in denominator also. But now when you have 1, then add plus 1 and minus 1. It means you kept the numerator in numerator as well as in denominator. Whatever the value of denominator you have, in numerator it is go for addition and in denominator it is go for subtraction. This rule is called as componendo and dividendo. See, we apply here. In this case, numerator is cos of a minus b. So write cos of a minus b in numerator as well as in denominator. Now you have cos of a plus b in denominator. So this value is go for addition in case of cos of a plus b, and this value is go for subtraction in case of denominator. I repeat, whatever the numerator you have, kept the numerator in numerator as well as in denominator, and whatever the value you have in denominator, it is go for addition and subtraction for the numerator and denominator. Now apply the formula. See, cos of a minus b plus cos of a plus b, it is 2 cos a cos b. Now normally the formula is cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b, but actually it is reverse. It is cos of a minus b minus cos of a plus b. We remember the actual formula is minus 2 sin a sin b, but in this case a minus b comes on the first step and a plus b on the second step. Due to that, this minus is consumed. So your formula is become 2 sin a into sin b. Remember, your formula is change a negative symbol due to these two angles change itself, means a minus b comes first and a plus b come last, and they are connected with the help of symbol negative. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 minus 1 is 2. So 2 2s are 4. This 2 get cancelled. If you observe, cos upon sine, that is equals to cot A, cos upon sine, that is equals to cot B, and this answer is equals to 2. This is your requirement. So this method is quite important. This is called as the componendo and dividend.